Greetings everyone, it's your guy, the Urban Window Farmer. For this week's video, I'm going to be unboxing and putting together a 10-inch mid-century plant stand from Emerging Green. The Emerging Green 10-inch mid-century plant stand, it comes with two plant stands, but for this video I'm just going to use one. The other one I'll use for a later project. So using the groove, the two pieces just snap in place, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and place the stand at the left of my windowsill, right above my succulent. And I just recently bought a Monstera plant at a local garden center here in Chicago, and I felt like this Monstera needs really good light. If you look right outside my window, you can see there's a whole bunch of trees out there, and I get much better light higher up in the window. As you can see, I have so many plants placed higher up. So that's the reason why I acquired this plant stand, elevate this Monstera plant. Have a look at it. I put the Monstera in a red colored planter, mostly for the holiday season. We have Christmas right around the corner. I feel like this planter looks pretty good there. So have a look. Tell me what you guys think of this setup in the comments. Let me know if you think this is a good strategy for placing a Monstera plant. Anything else you want to discuss, just go ahead and put that in the comments, and I will be actively replying to any comments that are posted. But yeah, that's the end of this project. It was a very short project. This Emerging Green mid-century plant stand is very simple to put together. So I will leave a link in the description where you can find this plant stand if you want one for yourself. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.